With this hotel trick, your toilet will shine for a long time. This trick saves me when I forget to buy the right cleaning products. You only need ingredients that you are sure to always have at home. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into a bowl. Salt acts as a natural cleaning agent that effectively removes deposits from various surfaces. Another ingredient is a tablespoon of washing powder. Any washing powder removes dirt and neutralizes bad odors. The last product is vinegar, which has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly. Pour 3/4 of the resulting mixture into the toilet bowl, then scrub the toilet thoroughly, brush from the inside. Apply the remaining mixture to the sponge, and clean all other parts of the toilet. In a few seconds, you have created a cleaner that is effective for use. With it, you have a clean, shiny, and fragrant toilet. Scatter some rice in your bathroom, and I guarantee it will solve unpleasant issues. To use this method, take a tall container or jar and fill it with raw rice. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil on top to ensure a lasting fragrance. Place the container in your bathroom. Rice naturally absorbs moisture, making it an ideal solution for humid and musty-smelling spaces like bathrooms. Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with 1 large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. Pour coffee into the toilet, and by tomorrow it will look like new. You won't believe the results. Start by preparing a small bowl and adding 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee acts as a natural cleaner, removing stains and buildup. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which effectively dissolves limescale and neutralizes bacteria. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix thoroughly. Thanks to its acetic acid content, vinegar effectively removes mineral deposits and disinfects surfaces. If the mixture seems too dry, add another tablespoon of vinegar to achieve the right consistency. Stir again until a smooth paste forms. Once ready, apply the mixture all over the toilet bowl, especially in areas prone to buildup and stains. Let it sit for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to break down dirt and grime. Then, scrub the toilet thoroughly with a brush and flush with water. With the natural cleaning power of coffee, baking soda, and vinegar, your toilet will shine without the need for harsh chemicals. This is a simple, affordable, and eco-friendly way to keep your bathroom spotless. This breaks down toilet scale better than a hammer. With this cheap method, you'll get rid of it once and for all. Prepare a glass container and add 100 milliliters of dish soap, which effectively dissolves grease and dirt. Then, add 1 tablespoon of table salt, which has abrasive properties and helps break down tough deposits. Now, pour in 300 milliliters of vinegar, one of the most powerful natural cleaning agents. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients well. The combination of salt and vinegar is a real powerhouse against scale buildup. Now, transfer the mixture into an empty dish soap bottle for easier application. Thoroughly pour it over the scale in your toilet and leave it for a few hours or overnight. During this time, the mixture will work intensively, dissolving even the most stubborn deposits. Flush the toilet, and that's it. The scale disappears and your toilet looks like new. You'll never have to scrub tough stains and limescale again. Take a few limes to the bathroom. They have many properties you might not know about. Cut each lime in half. Lime peels offer plenty of useful qualities around the house. Squeeze the juice out of each lime, but you'll only need the peels for this trick. You can use the juice to make lemonade, for example. Then take a blender. Add all the lime peels and a little bit of water. Secure the lid and blend everything thoroughly. Lime peels help remove dirt and have antibacterial properties. Make sure the peels are finely ground. Add about 100 milliliters of water and mix well. Wait for about a minute. The mixture should be slightly liquid. Next, grab a strainer and a container to pour the mixture into. Strain everything carefully, squeezing out as much liquid as possible from the peels. Lime peels contain natural essential oils, which also give surfaces a fresh scent. Pour the mixture over the toilet and let it sit for a moment. Scrub thoroughly with a brush. You'll see how easily stains come off, leaving the toilet bowl spotless and fresh-smelling. I pour this into the toilet. I don't need a plumber anymore. If your toilet gets clogged, forget about chemical products. Today, I'll show you a better trick. Take 2 dishwasher tablets and put them in a coffee grinder. Grind them into a fine powder. Transfer the powder into a glass bowl. Then, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to the bowl. Next, pour in 3 tablespoons of regular vinegar. The mixture will start to foam. Stir it well until everything is combined. Pour the entire mixture into a dispenser and add some water. Mix again. Now, you're ready to clean your toilet. Pour a little coconut oil into the toilet bowl. Then add the prepared mixture. Start scrubbing. You'll be amazed at how effective this method is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past. Plus, it prevents limescale buildup on the shiny surface. Throw an orange into the toilet, and your guests will be surprised. Take a large orange and peel it, as the peel is the valuable ingredient. Shred the peel and blend it until you get small pieces. Transfer them into a jar and pour alcohol over the peel. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use the spray to mist toilet paper. This citrus solution effectively eliminates unpleasant odors, keeping your bathroom fresh with little effort. Orange peel contains natural essential oils with antibacterial and refreshing properties, making it great for neutralizing bad smells. Plus, its citrus scent is relaxing and invigorating, creating a pleasant atmosphere. You can also spray it inside the toilet bowl. Citrus is perfect for tackling strong odors. Your guests will never know the secret behind the freshness.